What's going on, team? What's going on, family? Real quick. Wanted to give you guys something that you can utilize while looking into the market and also trading binary options or whatever it may be, guys. Today, I'll be going over 7 indicators every new trader should master. Welcome to the world of trading where information, timing, and confidence can change everything. You guys know who I am, Dr. Curry, and I'll be breaking down for me what I believe 7 of the most powerful indicators that every new trader should understand before diving deep into the markets. The tools I'll be showing you today will help you see the charts differently, move differently, execute differently, just like we do inside the Rich University community. First up, right here on the left-hand side, there's a tab. This is indicators. Now, this is on the platform pocket option. So if you're trading Forex or if you're on any other tab, you'll go to your instrument panel and you'll select indicators. So today, the first one I'm going to go over is your simple moving average. Just a standard setting, not changing anything. If you want to change the settings for moving average, you can go right here. You can also switch it to WMA, weighted moving average, EMA, exponential moving average, SMA, and TMA as well. We're just going to keep it on a simple moving average. This one is powerful because it's smooth. It smooths out the price movement. So you can clearly see whether the market is trending up as you see now, or if it's trending down. So let's go to another pair real quick. And let's see if we can see one. Boom. There it is. Smooth moving average is trending down. So now that you know that the market is trending down, and this is just with a standard setting. When the price is above the line, you're in the uptrend. Below the line, the downtrend. Remember that. Short-term averages react faster. Long-term ones confirm the bigger picture. Think of this as, I like to say, your roadmap of direction. The other one I have right here is the RSI, which is right here. RSI is your typical setting of 14. You can go here, you can change your settings, colors, and everything of that nature. Now, the RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. This indicator measures the strength of momentum, showing when the market is overbought and oversold. So at the level of 70, if price was over 70, it would be overbought. And if price was under 70, it would be if price was below 30, the sellers would be in control, pretty much getting ready to turn it around. The buyers would be in control, getting ready to turn the market around. So when the RSI pushes above 70, buyers might be getting tired. When it's below 30, sellers could be running out of steam. This is like an early warning system for when reversals are getting ready to happen. Now, depending on how the market is moving, you can come here and change it to 80 if you see prices literally going above that. So if I was just to change it to 80, it gives me a little bit more room. And I like to jump between time frames to really look at that. So we see prices still going up, hasn't hit that level, and then she can be ready to turn around. One of the things I like to do with the RSI personally is I'll come here and I know if price is at that 70 or 80 level, it's getting ready to sell. So I'll turn that color red. And down here for the yellow, I use 30 and 20. I'll change that green. So if price is here, I know I should be getting ready to sell. If price is here, I should be getting ready to buy. And that correlates with what I see right here. The middle level, that's what I like to call the dead zone. So sometimes I'll just take it off completely, or I'll turn it black. Turn it black, make it super dark. Now, for me, I personally don't like to trade on this level because when it's at the 50 level, it can buy, it can sell. The market is indecisive of what it wants to do. So currently right now we see price at that 50. So from 50 and 80, you're in the buy zone. And from 50 below, you're in the sell zone. So as you guys can see, she's clearly selling off. We are in the sell territory of the RSI. The next one I want to go over is the MACD. So the MACD, I like this as well because the MACD, it combines moving averages with what I just showed you, but this also adds momentum with it. And when the lines cross, as you see right here, it's often a signal that the market is ready to shift direction. When it crosses up, it can be a potential buy. When it crosses down, a potential sell. Simple, precise, and reliable. Now, another one that I like is the Bollinger Bands. Now, your Bollinger Bands, these measure the volatility in the market. And what does that mean? How much money's in the market? How much is moving in the market? How wild or how calm the market is. When price touches the top of the band, it's stretched. It's really high. When it hugs the bottom of the band, it's usually oversold. Most times the market snap back between the middle band, giving you a powerful reversal clues. When the bands tighten, and get ready because a breakout is getting ready to occur. As you see, tight, expand, breakout to the upside. Now, I like the CCI as well. Let's go over to CCI. CCI, where'd you go? Boom. So now with the CCI or the Commodity Channel Index, this one's all about identifying the pressure in the market. You're going to know if the market is bullish, you're going to know if the market is bearish. When the CCI shoots above the 100 line, the plus 100, buyers are applying heat. Buyers are coming in, attempting to push the market up even higher. When it drops below the negative 100, the sellers are in control. I use this one in a few of my strategies because it tells you exactly when the energy is shifting. Now, what I like to add with that would be like a parabolic SAR. So with the parabolic SAR, this one is cool too because the little dots above and below the candles aren't just for decoration. I'm gonna tell you guys that now. They mark potential reversal areas. Dots below the price mean that the trend is pushing up. Dots above means that dots above mean it might be time to exit or prepare for a sale. It's just a simple visual guide, no guessing required. Dots under here pushing the market up, and you just ride the wave with that. Now, this is another one. Let's see. Boom. So, as you can see, we're starting right there. We got buy, and then we also have sell. Now, this is the super trend. This one blends volatility and direction to tell you exactly when to buy or sell. When the line turns green, it's bullish pressure. And when it flips red, momentum is shifting bearish. As you can see, we just flipped green. Momentum is shifting up. Well, what do you know? The market is going up. It's one of the cleanest indicators for new traders who just want clarity. Now, these 7 indicators are your foundation, your training wheels in the market. But let me be real. Inside of our Rich University community, we go beyond the basics. We combine these tools into strategies that dominate prop firm challenges, that dominate live accounts daily. So if you're serious about mastering these markets, continue to plug in as we elevate together. Now, what I like about those little indicators that I just showed you, they're cool by themselves. But when you start to combine them with other indicators, it really paints a beautiful picture for you. And then that creates clarity for you in the market. Remember, we don't win every single trade, but execute, what we do is execute with extreme precision to dominate within the market. Every trade is not a winning trade, but I'll tell you this: trust your trade, trust your analysis, and we can't predict the markets. We don't control the markets, but what we can control is our emotions while we're in the market. It's your brother, Dr. Curry. Big pressure salute. We out.